Hi, we are from Ankram, Mumbai, analytical specialist from 1978. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ice cream analysis using the power of near-infrared spectroscopy. NIR spectroscopy is a non-destructive and non-invasive technique used to analyze the composition of various materials, including food products like ice cream. This Spectra Star XT, a benchtop food analyzer, can determine various parameters such as moisture, protein, fat, sugars, total solids and many others. Ice cream comes in various flavors, textures, and ingredients. But how do we analyze its composition without altering its delightful qualities? This is where near-infrared spectroscopy comes in. NIR technology allows us to analyze the molecular composition of a sample without physically changing it. The NIR instrument scans the ice cream samples, generating a spectrum graph on the computer screen and compare with the ice cream library. We will buy ice cream sample from market. Allow the sample to soften at room temperature. It is not advisable to soften the ice cream sample by heating it in a water bath or over flame because melted fat tends to separate and rise to the surface. After softening the ice cream, mix it thoroughly by stirring with a spoon. Now take an ice cream sample. Mix it well and transfer into the sample cup. Press Scan option on computer screen. Enter the name of the ice cream sample. As the NIR light passes through the ice cream samples, it interacts with the molecular bonds in the components like fats, protein, etc. The software will compare with the specified library file and give results in less than 60 seconds. The analysis report will be available to you in PDF format. Additionally, I have included the specifications for total solids, protein, and fat in ice cream samples as per FSSAI guidelines. So like this we can make it very easy to do your ice cream analysis by using NIR instrument. First, NIR analysis is non-destructive and fast. It allows us to assess the quality of ice cream without altering the sample, and the results are available almost instantly. Second, the speed and accuracy of NIR analysis help ice cream manufacturers ensure consistent quality in their products. Third, NIR is not just about quality control, it also aids in product development, ensuring the perfect balance of ingredients for new flavors. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of ice cream analysis using NIR instruments. Like and subscribe for more fascinating scientific explorations.